Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Wild Game Cooking with Second Habit Outdoors. On this week's episode, we're going to show you how to make a simple yet delicious corned venison recipe.
The ingredients you'll need for this is 1 cup of kosher salt, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 ounce of a meat cure, 3 tablespoons of black pepper, 12 dried bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of thyme, 2 teaspoons of caraway seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 12 cloves of garlic. In a large pot, bring 1 gallon of water to a boil and proceed to add all of your ingredients.
With your ingredients added, stir and continue boiling for 1 additional minute. Then turn off the burner, cover with a lid, and let cool completely to room temperature. Once your brine has completely cooled, find a container deep enough to place your venison roast to where you can completely cover them with brine. Place a lid on the container and put in the fridge, allowing your venison to brine for 7 days. Remember to flip the meat each day. After brining for 7 days, rinse your meat, vacuum seal it, and then place it in a sous vide bath at 144 degrees for 48 hours. After the meat cooks, slice it and you're ready to serve. Thanks for checking out the video and hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe up in the top left, or check out more wild game cooking videos on the right. Until then, have a good one.